Hey everybody, this is Schmidty's Kettle here. This is my 8th year in business. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers, so thanks for watching. Today we're actually going to be making maple bourbon caramel corn. Alright, let's get to it. Bourbon, guys, is a local bourbon from Olney, Maryland, and it's a place called Lone Oak Brewery where I'm at every Saturday. And this will be maybe my signature popcorn down the road. But I added a local maple syrup as well from Virginia, and man, it came out amazing, guys. The flavor was really on par together. The caramel corn balance with the maple sugar balance and the bourbon came out perfectly. And in fact, I actually plan on adding maple syrup permanently to my caramel corn in the future. At least it was just a little sweeter, it gave it a really nice extra kick. And the bourbon was great too. It actually went down smoothly. And this is my first time actually trying the bourbon liquor as well, so it was great. All right, so now I don't drink, and I've never tasted hard liquor like this before. I've actually never been drunk before. So we'll try a little bit just to see what it tastes like.
That's good.
All right, ready, Mia?
Yeah.
You can be in the video today.
Okay.
Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers.
This is my helper, Mia.
Hi.
Ready?
Oh, that's smooth.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Oh, that's not bad.
I never actually tasted bourbon before.
Me neither. That's my first time ever. Yes, I've never drank bourbon before.
This is actually 12 cups of popcorn. So for 12 cups of popcorn, I probably do close to a full cup of each, or half a cup of each. Record over it, talk over it. That's why. It's because it's better to talk over the audio. Blue, make the brown sugar. And then I do butter. And a little bit of butter. Alright, now we'll do the bourbon next. So I'm going to say maybe a full cup. What do you think? It was actually a pretty smooth. It wasn't like overpowering. Yeah. What do you think for a full cup, Mia?
I'm thinking maybe a full cup. Let's see how.
Want to do half a cup of each first? Like that?
Let's see. I'm thinking it's a lot of popcorn.
It is.
I'm thinking a little more.
Hold on, I think that might be enough.
See?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, tell the way. Here you go. And then now we're going to do
More maple?
correct. And hopefully my liability insurance is going to go in. I have liability insurance in case. Ready? All right, now we can turn up the flame. Look at the way the color is. Hello, guys.
Hi, how are you?
All right, now let's turn it up. This has to heat up to 400 degrees before the popcorn is ready to pop. And you can see the way it's foaming. It's actually going to be really good. It's actually interesting because this is actually an entirely different color than what I'm used to.
What kind of popcorn did you say that was?
Mushroom popcorn.
Mushroom.
Yeah. And then, I've actually never made it before this way. up now. This part's starting to pop now. We got one pop. That one being popped is going to taste really good. That will taste really good. That's where all the flavor is going to be.
What do you think, Schmidty? How's it looking?
It's looking good.
Oh, that looks good.
You know how different it is.
Oh my God, it is brown. That's
I could drink
great. That'd be kind of hot.
Yeah, that part.
I think I would call that like a hot toddy, a hot Schmidty.
There we go.
Here you go.
See, there we go. There we go. Look how good this is. I'm gonna make another batch.
So many people are asking.
There we go. That looks really good too.
Yeah, I'll get the whatchamacallit.
All right, now that the propane is back on. All right, give me the scoops. Look how nice. Look how rich this looks. Doesn't this look amazing? This is the first time I made this. All right, this needs about 5 minutes to cool off, and you guys can try a sample.
Excellent.
We're done, Stephanie. You have me coming for taking it around. Yeah, it's really good. The maple syrup really adds to it. And I also taste the bourbon too. All right, we can stop. Ready?
Yep.
Where's the other caramel corn?
We mix it in. It's the maple bourbon and maple syrup. That's actually a maple bourbon. Maple bourbon. You want to try some? Take a